There's one thing that I cannot stand to have in my boat, and that's rust. We've all been there before. You've had that one bait that's got a little bit of rust on it. You have it in your box, and the next thing you know, the entire box is orange and all your lures are rusted. You've wasted hundreds of dollars on them because the hook points are dull. That's why I love my Plano Edge series boxes, because these boxes are built with a rust restrictor into all of the plastic, so it's giving you 360 degrees of protection from the rust, and it also comes with this water wicking box to collect any moisture that you have in there. And look, at the end of the day, time is money. I would much rather be out fishing than trying to organize my boxes each and every season just because there gets a little bit of rust in them, because once the rust starts, it's almost impossible to get rid of. So be sure to check out these Plano Edge series boxes. They save me a ton of time and a ton of money.